It's me, Liz Marie, and I'm going to be doing a quick and easy, simple, yet I guess glamorous New Year's Eve look. I'm using natural lighting to record, so let's see how this goes. And we're gonna just start. I'm first going to prime with this Rare Beauty primer. I got a sample of when I bought some stiffs, but I honestly like it. I like it a lot. And just spreading that all over my face. I'm also gonna go in with the Rare Beauty foundation. Just shake it. Shake, Shinora. Shake your body line. Is that the word? I don't know. But I always think of that song line, shaking things. It's in my head. Always in my head, but. Okay. Just going to apply this all over, like so. No rhyme or reason. I really should have done my hair after I did my makeup, but I didn't think that through. No, did I? No, I didn't. I didn't. I feel like I always realize things after the fact, you know? Which isn't very helpful. Okay. The Rare Beauty foundation is definitely a favorite find of mine for 2020. Not that I've been wearing a lot of makeup, which is exactly why I'm not doing a beauty favorite overall thing, because I just don't think it would make sense for moi to do it. Okay, let's get some on this forehead of mine. I'm just gonna do it without a mirror right now. It's fine. No one's gonna be seeing my forehead anyway, since I have bangs. But yeah, I really like the way this foundation sits on my face. And this is gonna be the first time me trying it with some blemishes on my face. I have some little friends, and little old me couldn't help. Let me just silence my phone. Little old me couldn't help picking at him. It's my mom. But yeah. What are you guys going to be doing for New Year's? I am currently in New York, hence the no studio setup that I usually do. Not that anyone cares, but I'm using natural light, so if the light's iffy in here, sorry about that. But maybe it'll make a nice mood, you know? But yeah, I'm currently in New York, so not doing much for New Year's Eve except going to my boyfriend's cousin's place, and we're having a small little dinner, which should be really nice. But leave the comments below what you guys are going to be doing spending your New Year's Eve, even if it's just staying home. I suggest you still get all glammed up. Take some pictures, you know? Okay, I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty, what's this, concealer? This is not my favorite. I feel like it does not give me any coverage, and it does not build. So, but I didn't bring another concealer really up with me when I came to New York, so, and we haven't found a permanent place yet, so I don't have all my makeup yet. I just had to pick some stuff, and that was like the newest thing. But I'm gonna take this All Natural color corrector and see if it'll help with my dark circles, to help that concealer work better. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't. But I think this natural lighting will definitely tell us all the truth. There's no hiding it. with studio lights. I think studio lights sometimes make things look better. But yeah, alas, I'm using natural light. And I'm currently sitting on the floor on a pillow because the floor is not very comfy. Okay, got that on. Going to take some concealer and put that on right there and right there. I'm gonna put some here because I feel like I have shadow in there, if that makes sense. I don't know if I should put it on my nose. I guess I'll just do it. Not light enough to do like a highlight thing, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Oh, my nostrils. Even though it doesn't do much, and I add some extra little bit of coverage where you can. It's very difficult to do a video when you don't have a proper table or anything to have all your stuff set up. Everything's literally on the floor in front of me. So that's fun also. Just blending that out. I'm gonna put a little bit on my lids, even though I'm not using powder eyeshadow. I can't do my makeup and think apparently. Yeah, I'm just gonna be using mostly creams on my face today, hence the fast and easy look that I planned on doing. Yeah, this concealer just doesn't do it for me. I need to find a concealer that I like a lot more. I kind of want to use my RMS one, but I wonder if it'll be too dark. You know what? I'm gonna get it and try it. So I technically lied. I did bring another concealer. I forgot. Brought my RMS. But I'm going to just use my big fingers and use that for some more coverage, hopefully. Just some added. I think it helped a little bit. I think it's maybe slightly too dark. If you hear all that construction, there's literally construction next door, so I wish they were off on New Year's Eve. This is so annoying. So I guess I'll just do the rest of this tutorial in voiceover, or maybe just to music, because I give up talking. Yeah. I'm gonna go in with my Salt New York palette. Well, it seems like for now they stopped with all the noise, so just taking my rose-colored blush from Salt New York, which I absolutely adore. Salt New York, and I want to buy basically all the colors. I think, according to Khaki. Oh no, I did look on the site also. They reformulated. I have the old formula, so I really would like to try the new formula, but all in due time I will get myself some more colors. And the palette is so sturdy and I love it. It has the cute little mirror in it. But I'm using this color and I used the contour. I really want to get a bronzer shade next, but just putting this blush on. And my favorite way to use cream products is with my fingers. So yeah, I'm gonna take my pinky and just put it into the highlight, the beige highlight from Salt, and highlight the tops of my cheekbones. This is the first time I'm touching the highlight. I've touched the blushes and oh, I love it. There's noise again. This is why I wish I had my studio lighting and everything, because then I could just do this at night when they're not doing all the construction. But yeah, I'm just taking the blush also and applying that to my lids in a nice wash. It doesn't have to be perfect. And slightly take that into the crease. Perfecto. There's a noise again. So far, I really like this look. It's nice and dewy. Then, taking this Marc Jacobs glitter, and I'm also adding it to my lids. It's getting like really dark really fast. But yeah, I'm just gonna wash this across the lid. Hopefully I'm not getting too much fallout, but I think I put too much on. I'm honestly going to take some more of my blush, put it on the side of my hand, and take this brush and kind of go into the crease again. Literally not how I wanted to do this video, but first time using Kosas mascara. I bought the mini and just applying a good layer. It seems a bit dry, like a drier formula to me. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but it's definitely not very juicy, creamy. Hopefully you can still hear me over the noise, but it's very lengthening, and I like that so far. The way it looks on my lashes is pretty nice. Yep, I actually really like that. I'm gonna quickly do my brows and I'll be right back. I'm adding the beige highlight to my brow bone. I always block with my little, like, I guess like Desi says, chicken claw. So funny. Let me get some more blush. I guess the last touch is my Eldridge lipstick that I really want to use, which is the Love of My Life. Pink. Oh, it's so creamy. I do have some. Well, I don't even know why I'm like trying to talk while I'm doing this, but This is such a beautiful color. Okay, I have to find a better situation for filming next time because sitting on the floor is not it. I can't feel my ankles. But this is the finished look. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. And the foundation is behaving quite nicely over my scabs that I picked at my pimples. But gotta say, I'm in love with this simple look. And I decided to go with the rosy pink look for New Year's. I thought it would just go nicely with this dress I got, which I got from Oats the Label. It's a mother-daughter brand from Australia. And I just fell in love with this dress and I had to get it. And they hemmed it to my height for me, and it wasn't any extra money, which was like fabulous. This dress is wonderful. But yeah, gorgeous. I feel gorgeous. I just need to add some earrings. I wish I brought more jewelry up here with me, but it's okay. I have some gold hoops. I'll just wear those. But yep, I love everything on my face except the Rare Beauty concealer. That might work for like an everyday thing, but not glam. I needed more coverage. Yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was very noisy. Stay safe during your New Year's, and I hope the New Year brings you many, many wonderful, amazing, fabulous new adventures. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. That's all for now.